Hi, I'm Rusty Wise,
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
and we are with Wise News Network. We're in Cherryville, North Carolina, in front of the Walmart, and it's getting cold outside, and everyone loves a good cup of coffee.
We do.
And so Scooter's Coffee is being built behind us at 2507 Lincoln Highway. Scooter started in Nebraska in 1998, and they have close to 600 stores in 27 states and growing to 30 states, and they picked Cherryville, which is pretty cool.
That is cool. And actually, 60% of Americans drink coffee more than tea, water, or any other beverage, according to the National Coffee Association.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's a lot.
The building behind us here is 664 square feet, and they're going to employ 20 employees
Wow.
in that small building. But it's going to be a drive-through,
Wow.
and the deal was brokered by Wise Real Estate Incorporated here in Cherryville.
Very nice, very nice.
And it's supposed to open in mid-January of 2023.
That's soon.
Maybe give a week or two, they say.
Very nice.
What are they going to have? You know, Jermaine, I
Oh
know
my
you've been
gosh.
looking at their menu.
I have. I am so ready, guys. I'm hearing that they're going to have hot beverages, blended smoothies, different types of teas, sandwiches, even a waffle sandwich.
A waffle sandwich.
A waffle sandwich. I will be trying that.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
Is it good for our health?
I don't know about that, but conveniently, we have something next door to help us out.
That's right. New buildings coming to Cherryville, and right beside us here is the new Main Street Family Care, which opened in June 2022, and that's at 2501 Lincoln Highway.
Right next door.
And up the street a little bit, beside McDonald's, we have another urgent care being built, Caramont Family Care, and it's at 901 East Church Street, Cherryville. So that's 3 new buildings that's come to Cherryville. Small town, but we're growing. According to the NCDOT, Highway 150 has the highest traffic count in Cherryville, all the way from Walmart up to the McDonald's.
Yep.
So high traffic area, and businesses are starting to see that. So if you like a good cup of coffee, like 60% of Americans, and you want to, have a good cup of coffee, just come to Scooters. I can't wait.
Same. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys.